Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute notifications for original audio on Instagram Web using your PC. If you're tired of getting alerts every time someone uses original audio, this simple setting will help you stay focused and keep your notifications clean. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram Web. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the menu options. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different parts of your account. Inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you control what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Next, click on Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, Instagram still uses this section to manage notification preferences tied to your account. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Original Audio. This is the setting responsible for notifying you when content uses original audio. To mute these notifications, simply select Off under the Original Audio option. Once you do that, Instagram will stop sending you alerts related to original audio activity.